Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make this supla. I don't know how you call this one, maybe table mat or underplate. I don't know which one is true. I think underplate is the true one. I made this one with this two yarn. That's Lamia paper soft. It's paper yarn. Okay. And lollipop, Lamia lollipop. That's paper too, I think. There is no knowledge about it at the label, but I think that's paper too. And it's so soft and nice looking yarn. I like it very much. It says yarn size 4 and 5, but I think that one is thicker than that. I don't know how could this happen, but I think it's like that. And it says 4 or 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter. I use 6 millimeter crochet hook with them. You can use any kind of yarn you choose, of course, and you can make it bigger or smaller. I will show you how to make this at the video, and it's really easy. I hope you like it. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. At first, I will start with a magic ring. Take the yarn like that and wrap it around your fingers. Crossway. Insert your hook here. Take the yarn like that and pull it through. Take the same yarn and make a chain. 1, 2, 3 chain. That's my first double crochet. And in the same place I will make double crochets. Yarn over, insert my hook at the magic ring, take the yarn like that, yarn over and pull it through from first 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through from second 2 loops. That's my third double crochet. I'll keep doing like that and make 12 double crochet. When I finish it, I will close here like that and join from this third chain. One, 2, 3, that's my first double crochet, and in the same place I will make 1 more double crochet, and into the next space I will make 2 double crochet, and next make 2. I will make 2 double crochets for all the stitches, and I will have 24 double crochet at the end of this row. I complete the second row and join from this third chain, if I can. Yes. Chain 3, and this is my first double crochet. Into the next stitch I will make 2 double crochet. Next stitch 1 double crochet. Next stitch 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. 1 double and 2 double. When I came to the end, I make 2 double crochet into same place, and then I will join from this third chain, chain 3. This is my first double crochet, and into the next one make 1 more double crochet. Next one, make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, then 1 double, 1 double, and 2 double, 1, 2. I will keep doing like that. For this row, it's 2 double in a row, and then 2 double into same space. Next row is 3 double in a row and 2 double into same place, and keep doing like that. I will show you this. I'm at the row 7 here, and I make 2 double into same place, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double in a row. Okay, I'll finish here. Now I will make the edge. For the row 8, I will use this pink yarn. You'll not have to change your color, but I think it will look good like that. You can start anywhere you want. I'll take the yarn like that and insert my hook into same place and make a single crochet. Chain 3, skip 2, and into that third one insert your hook and make a single crochet, and into same place make 1 more single crochet. Chain 3, skip 2, into the third one make a single and make 1 more single. 1, 2, 3, skip 2, make a single and 1 more. When I came to the end, I will make my last 3 chain, and here I made my first single crochet here, and I will make my last here too. Insert your hook at the first single crochet and make a slip stitch. Now I have 28 3 chain space. It must be multiples of 2. You can use a different kind of yarn and make a bigger circle maybe, but it's not important. Just be sure about your 3 chain space will be multiples of 2. Insert my hook at this first space and make a slip stitch. Chain 3, that's my first double crochet, and then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 4 chain space. Take the yarn, insert your hook at the same space and make a double. And that's a big V. Okay. I'll make the same thing here. Make it double, chain 4, make 1 more double. Into next space, make it double, chain 4, and 1 more double. And keep doing like that. When I finish my last V, I will insert my hook at that third chain, and make a slip stitch, and insert my hook that space and make one more slip stitch. Then chain 1, make a single crochet, yarn over, and into that next 4 chain space we will make 4 double crochet, 2, 3 and 4, chain 1 and 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 4 chain space, make a single crochet, into the next one make 4 double crochet, chain 1, 4 double crochet, chain 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and make a single crochet into the next one and turn around like that. I complete my last cluster and cut the yarn. Let's make it like that. Oops. Take a yarn needle and I will insert my needle from this first single crochet, like that, and insert my needle from this last double crochet I made. Insert from here. Okay. And I will hide this tail. And it's finished. As you see, it's easy and good looking. I like it. I hope you like it too. If you like, don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will wait for your comments and thanks for watching me this day too. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a lovely day.